Next song I want to do is about, obviously, a Wrexham legend that unfortunately passed away this year, Joey Jones, and we were fortunate enough about 20 years to write a song about him, and there's a gentleman in the audience called John Lloyd, who's an ex-referee, who was on the after-dinner circuit with us, and basically he starts off what we'd done, and we wrote a song about Joey. There's a lot of swear words, so we had to take it out, and we were honoured to do a song at his funeral, so we tend sometimes to forget. It's quite a new song. We don't play it very often because we can't swear because it's a church. Anyway, it's a great song to the legend Joey Jones.
But today is old, even famously swapped. The Busfield stands for the Anfield Cup. His mates on the terraces chanting his name. A North Wales lad at the peak of his game. Joey eats frog's legs, he made the Swiss roll, and now he's munching glad bats. Joey eats frog's legs, he made the Swiss roll, and now he's munching glad bats. Joey eats frog's legs, he made the Swiss roll, and now he's munching glad bats. Joey eats frog's legs, he made the Swiss roll, and now he's munching glad bats. A
Jones.